Today we visited a 90-metre wide waterfall, that's about 100 yards, then drove 2 hours to get 30 metres up in the air, that's about 100 feet, before we spent the afternoon exploring the formations along the Great Ocean Road. Let the adventure continue. Hopkins Falls, at 90 metres or 100 yards, is one of the widest falls in Victoria. The Otway Fly Treetop Walk and Zip Line is about an hour and a half out of Warrnambool. It's probably closer to Geelong. But I was going to go on the zip line and it's sold out for the day because it's the first day of the Victorian school holidays. So my decision was made for me. But we are going to enjoy the treetop walk without the drone. What they didn't tell us is that it is a kilometre or about half a mile from reception down to the skywalk. But we finally arrived. This is just the mid-level layer of the forest. We've still got a way to go up. Now we're up a bit higher, some open sky and some treetops, although there are trees that are even taller. The best view is no doubt from the top of that tower, but if I want to get that view, I'm going to send up a drone. There's an optional cantilever which goes right out over the forest with nothing around you, but I suffer from vertigo and I'm not going to do that. I particularly love the way that these walkways actually shake while you're coming down them. It feels so solid. This is temperate rainforest. Tropical rainforest is not the only kind of rainforest. Only one more bridge to go before we're back on terra firma. You know what that means? The firmer it is, the less terror there is. Back on solid ground, and it's only about a mile, that's a kilometre and a half, back to the car. The Great Coastal Road along the south of Victoria is known because of the coastal cliffs that have eroded into some very unusual and fascinating shape. Gibson Stairs that I've just come down is the only place on the drive where you can actually get down to beach level. The 12 Apostles is the best known and definitely most popular of all the formations along the coastline. This section is called the Razorback because of the sharp rocks on the top. On the way back to the car, this echidna appeared while foraging. I can't imagine why this formation is called London Bridge. The grotto, like the London Bridge, but on a smaller scale. The Bay of Martyrs and the Bay of Ireland have more formations than the 12 Apostles, but are nowhere near. And now off to Portland for the night.